mag-graduate na tayo. Magiging accountant na ako.
Oo nga, ako din naging medtech na.
Oo, ako din. Social worker na.
For your undisputed and most recognizable skills and achievement in the field of accountancy, you are now our new Accountancy Hall of Fame awardee. Congratulations!
Finally, a cure for cancer and AIDS!
Lo, inom na po kayo ng gamot.
Maraming salamat. Dahil sa iyong kabutihan, ipipigay ko na sa iyo lahat ng aking pagmamay-ari. Ang lupain ko sa Belgium, ang flat ko sa London, ang lahat ng aking pera. Sayong-sayo na.
Salamat mo, Lolo.
You're welcome.
Hindi.
Isang araw, ito, ang hirap ng first day. Ang daming agad paperworks. Ang sakit ng ulo ko kaka-type.
Ako din eh. Okay lang sana kung laboratory works ginagawa ko. Ako taga-hugas. Ako taga-lampaso. Taga-walis. Taga-punas. Lahat. Ako na lahat gumagawa.
Pare-parehas lang tayo mga pare. Ako rin eh. Ako na nga tumutulong. Ako pa yung nagiging masama. Ay, buhay.
One's right stops when another person's right starts. Did you know that overworking may cause stress and burnt out, shorter lifespan, mental health issues, disruption of body processes, and life-threatening diseases?
To stop you from spending time with your family, attending a mass, and having leisure time with yourself to relax? I don't think so. So stand up now and make a change.
Lo, inom na po kayo.
Ako po, hindi ko talaga. Saya pag-ibig ko.
Wait lang. Hanggang mamaya ata tayo rito. Mr. Carpo, for your undisputed and recognizable skill and achievement in the field of accountancy.
Would you let your boss
To relax.
Would you like to let your boss to stop you from spending time with yourself and your boss to stop you from spending time with your family, attending a mass, and having leisure with yourself to relax? I don't think so. So stand up.
Video-videoan part.
Tama na, tama na.
Tulog kayo na, stay clean.
Gwapo ba, Pipes?
Video lang tayo dito.
pinakamarami.